Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel. So friends, in this video we're going to know that how much it will cost to making the a beautiful and modern wardrobe designs for the year 2025, and what are the labor charge and what are the materials price, which are the best materials. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. A well and beautiful wardrobe designs offers the several benefits for your bedroom interior because it maximizes the storage space, efficiently organize clothes, accessories, and other essentials. Custom shelving, drawers, hanging sections help keep them tidy, making the room look more spacious. Also, it enhances the aesthetics value, like contributes to the bedroom overall decor and the theme, and can be customized in various styles, materials, and finishes to match the bedroom interior and overall the room design. Another advantage is it improves the functionality, like sliding or hinge door offers accessibility based on the room size. Built-in lighting enhance visibility and inconvenience. Some wardrobes include integrated dressing areas or study sections. Also, it has some best advantages, like it increases the property's value because a well-designed wardrobe can enhance the resale value of a home. Custom home wardrobes are a desirable features for potential buyers. So friends, now we're going to know that how much it will cost to make a beautiful wardrobe designs. Like first we understand that which are the best materials for wardrobe. Like there are different types of materials are available to make the wardrobes, like HDHMR, plywood, MDF. But plywood is the most durable material for any furniture of the home. So most of the house, yeah, most of the furniture are made with the plywood because it is more durable than any other materials. But in there are different types of grades are available in the plywood, like MR grade, BW or BWP. So my suggestion is that to make the wardrobe, go with the BWP. Yeah, you can go with the BWR also. So it depends upon your budget. BWP is a little bit of costly and BWR is little bit of less expensive. BWR means is the boiling water resistance, and BWP is boiling waterproof, which are used mostly for the bathroom cabinets, kitchen cabinets. So because where water exists, and for bedrooms you can make with the BWR boiling water resistance. So but the price starts from making the wardrobes, like with materials. If you want to make the wardrobe, the price starts from 1,000 rupees per square feet to 1,500 rupees per square feet. It includes total labor rate plus material charge. Everything it is included. Like for laminate sheets, total price will be their vendor price. But if you want to go with like materials is yours, and if you want to give with the labor charges, so the labor will charge you almost 200 rupees per square feet to 350 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the designs which you select and the materials quality also. For now we will going to know that there are different types of wardrobe doors are available, like open wardrobes and sliding wardrobe has the problem that door does not open fully and maintenance is high, but it also gives you the luxury look. And to use the sheets, for always use the mica sheets for wardrobe. It is budget friendly also, and have the best color options. Another option is there, which is acrylic sheet, but it is high in price. So, and always make the cabinets for wardrobe depth should be in 2 feet. This is the standard size which most of the wardrobes or cabinets are made. And for wardrobe, put the laminate sheet inside in the cabinet. For white sheet, the most common sheets which are colorful is used for is the white sheet for inside, which is 0.7 mm to 0.9 mm, that it looks a beautiful look. Always use a high good and branded accessories for hinges, channels, handles. Always plan the properly for making of wardrobes, like material quality. Always select the price, select the best designs. Like in this video, there you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. Always hire the professional carpenter that have previously experience. So friends, when you're planning to make the wardrobe, you get two options, like go with the lab. Like first one is that you bring the materials and you give the someone with the labor rate. Another is you can give the contract with the materials. So it totally depends upon you. But my suggestion is that you bring the materials and give someone with the labor rate, because it will be save your money also, and you can bring the best quality of materials. And if you, like in this video I told you that plywood is the best material to make the wardrobes, and there are also different types of grade. So BWR grade is the best material. So for the, and for laminate sheets also, you will get, like I told you, that zero point 0.7 to 0.9 mm. And for external, you can use different types of colors variation. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.